in the properties area, whenever you go into a property and we go to a listing or a transaction, if you guys have projects will be doing the same thing. I think Brian asked for this, I believe it was, whenever you add a new listing, I've added a listing name option. So if I go to my listing and I click on add listing, it now asks you for a listing name of some sort. So you could put Johnson, Johnson's family or whatever you want to call that. There is a place for MLS number if you have it. If you don't, you can leave it blank. And then whenever you create, then it's going to put that name in there instead of the MLS number. Because what is like the MLS number isn't known whenever you first start this typically, so why ask for it? Which made sense to me. So same type thing. It will default to whatever's in the address up there, but if you change it, you can change it. If you need to change it, once it's in there, you can click on the little pencil and you can change the name of it. But this way, if you've got multiple listings, so let me just add another one just for grins here. So add a listing, say Smith listing, whatever you want to call it, and then create. Whenever you do that, then now it says Smith listing. If I wanted to go back and see historical information on previous listings for this property, I can then go back and see it right there. So I can just switch between which one. The newest one will always be at the top on down. So it's always showing the newest one. But by doing this, it now, you don't have to know the MLS number because you may not have the MLS number yet whenever you put it into SAM. So hopefully that'll help.